Well, here I am again, and what do you want to do this time? Sit around a little bit. Which will give you a better look at this Heath kit condenser checker. Heath kit, and normally these have a number on them too, but this says condenser checker, so we'll leave it at that. And so I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. On the outside you can see it's in pretty nice shape. It's on equal par with my Heath kit signal generator over in the corner there. So anyway, I guess let's take a look on the inside. And of course my little buddy's coming over now. Hi. You kind of missed, didn't you? Huh? Silly dog. What? It's all right. You go back to sleep. Okay. So let me move this camera so we can get a better look. And what we'll do is I'll bring it down some more so it's closer. It's all right, Chubbs. Okay, let's see. Now, should get a pretty good view. Let's open up the back of this and see what we have. It only has 2 screws, so not gonna be that hard to open. Let's see. Two sheet metal screws too. That's all it is. Okay. Right. So pop that open. Whoever did it before has put tie wraps on the thing. I have not turned this thing on either. It has never been on yet. But as you can see, the inside is totally clean. It is not even dusty. I have done nothing to this. Everything is perfectly clean. There's not a bit of dust on anything. No rust. Nothing whatsoever. Actually, the wiring job is not bad either for a Heath kit. A lot of times you expect to see scrambled up wiring and everything else, but actually this one's in pretty good shape. Let's take a look on the underside. And you can see that. Okay, so these all look like the original parts here. You see that it's a 0.5 or is that 0.00? Yeah. 600 volts at 0.5. So we got that. We have this one, which looks like it's a pretty decent one. And then we have 3 electrolytics. So this does not have much. It's got, and doesn't have many resistors either. There's only like 1 resistor there, and a couple by the volume control, I guess, or whatever it is. But yeah, you see it's in pretty nice shape inside there. The wiring is decent. It looks like all the soldering joints are all solid. It looks clean. So yeah, I don't think I will have too much trouble with this, even getting it going. So, but I just wanted to give you a short overview of what it looks like. And you can see even the underside is perfectly clean. So yeah, so all I have to do is I'm just going to redo some of these caps, and I should be in pretty good shape. So anyway, that's going to be it for here for now. And of course the dog's got to bark. But we shall see you guys later. Bye.